Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sherry B, and if you're new here, welcome and thanks for dropping by. How have you guys been doing? Like, I can't remember the last time I've sat in front of the mirror and just did my makeup. First, I'm going to take this Nars Creamy Concealer, and I'm just gonna finish my eyebrows. People are weird. I'm gonna take this Lancome Ultra Wear in the color 500. I think I'm gonna do my face makeup before I do my eye makeup. Yeah, I really love this this foundation. This foundation, go get it, child, because it's never steered me in the wrong direction. I realized if you want like a more soft contour, use powder instead of cream. My faces be more soft when I use like the powder. Get into that. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the color Honey. You don't see it, but question, why ain't nobody talking about this, y'all? This like hands down one of the best setting powders I've used. Like, I remember the hype about the Laura Mercier, however you say it, that setting spray, but honestly I really like this formula better than I like Lori, however you say her name. Like, I really love these. Like, it goes on effortless. And then this is in the color Honey. It's like a little brownish. My two favorite setting powders probably is the e.l.f. setting powder in the color Translucent, and this one. if you're having problems with creasing, I like to go with this kabuki brush up under. Okay, I'm going in with the Jacqueline Hill Morphe palette. This is Armed and Dangerous. Y'all, this is so cute. This is a very cute palette. As you can see, I've already been using it, of course. But they got like some really pretty color schemes in here. I love it. Love, love, love. Okay, y'all, I went ahead and did my eye makeup off the camera because y'all, it's something about a fresh pair of lashes that transform your look, girl. Like, it just really... Now let's do something for the lips, honey. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a brown. I'm gonna take this Revolution Fix and Glow. Child, let me spray. But if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel at It's Sherry B. I would really appreciate it. And thank you guys. Until next time, bye.